3 out of 4 companies fail to implement Industry 4.0 applications. Why? It's complicated, expensive, and requires extensive coding. This is why we created IOhub. IOhub is the first IIoT orchestrator and communication runtime that is modular, user-friendly, and no vendor lock-in. IOhub is simple, scalable, flexible, and affordable. IOhub interfaces with all PLCs, field sensors, software, and it allows your machine to talk to MESs or ERPs, logic creation, data communication between different systems, data management, data visualization, video streaming, and much more. Contact us to take a tour.